Hey Biscuits, welcome back to another haul video. So today I thought I would do something fun, and I misplaced two of the things I was going to do for this haul, so I'm going to put them in another haul. Full disclosure. But I thought I would show you some of the fun things I've gotten lately for some of my Patreon videos. So, you know, I tend to buy fun, crazy outfits. Sometimes if we're going to do a theme month, you know, July was sci-fi, so I bought a bunch of sci-fi outfits. I buy different masks and lotions and body masks and bubbles to test out, because I'll do demos and tests out for self-care on there. So I thought it'd be fun to show you some of the things that I got. So the first thing I got is I actually got two of these. These are little containers of glitter. This is a burgundy and this is like a purple blue. And I was gonna do some glitter makeup and body glitter tutorials on there, which I think will be really fun. I thought I would do like a glitter glam, and I might include that in this month's Patreon, or I might shoot some for October for costumes. I haven't really decided yet. You know, each month has a theme, and then I kind of shoot along in the month and decide what I'm gonna make. And it kind of keeps me inspired. What is it? And I like being inspired, I do. I think that by being, you know, getting new supplies and new ideas and costumes and products to test out, it keeps me inspired instead of just talking about the same, like, 5 topics all the time, right? I like it to be fresh content and new and interesting, and I really put a lot of time and effort into planning out, like, what's each video, how's it going to fit in with the theme, how's it going to be fun and playful and inspiring, and really focus in on innovative ways to do self-care. Really, that's something that I like to focus on. So the next thing I got, I'm trying to figure out how to hold this up to the camera, is I got this fun thing. So this was, I wear this on my top tier, so kind of, I can't actually wear this on YouTube for obvious reasons, but it hooks around here in your belly, and it kind of just holds up your bosom without a ton of coverage, but it's fun, and I thought that it was beautiful. It's kind of lacy and black, and I liked that it was playful and a little gothic-y, little Victorian essence, while still being fun and playful for, you know, when I'm doing lotion demos or if I'm going to do a full body mask, you know. So I really like that. I love finding these unique little things. I shop all over. This one I bought online. Some of them I'll go through thrift stores, vintage shops, online different shops. What was it, May? I think May maybe was our, you know, Rainbow-tastic month. It might have been June. I think it was May though. And I bought a whole bunch of different rainbow outfits that was really fun from a store that I'd never bought from before. And so I was testing it out, and I thought, okay, these are pretty fun. Some of them, you know, more scanty in the cloud department than I was expecting when I opened them, but I wouldn't, you know. Sometimes you just gotta test out the internet grounds for what works. Another thing I got is, I got a big container of bubbles. This is supposed to be hyperallergenic. We'll see. I have not tested this out yet. Because I often do bubble bath chats and bubble bath tests out and skincare and exfoliation, but the bubble bath I use doesn't do a lot of bubbles, so I'm hoping that this is more bubbly and will give me more of a suds and fluff, because I like that. I like when the bath is really bubbly, and I've done milk baths and things before, but the bubble bath I feel like is just a classic, and you can't go wrong with that in self-care. Just laying in a fun bubble bath, because I think that, you know, it's great as a sensory way to calm your body down, because it's very grounding. You know, you feel the bubbles on you, you can hear them, the warmth I think is really relaxing, and I just feel like bubble baths are really unique in the super easy, inexpensive ways to take care of ourselves. Okay, last thing I got this eye pencil. Can you see that? I don't know if this will focus. And it's a white eye pencil, and I got it just to, you know, when I want to do my eyes all fabulous. And so I've been testing it out, and I actually really like it. A little goes a long way. I just do a little dot, and I think that it's a really nice one. I like when I try out new makeup. I don't buy new makeup enough. I actually need to do a big makeup haul, because I've just been wearing the same stuff for so long, and I feel like it would be fun to do maybe some new lipsticks and some new eyeshadows I'd like to get. So let me know. Tell me in the comments, actually, what are your go-to favorite spots for finding for sensitive skin, good eye and lip makeup, because I'd really like to play around with that more. And I just haven't in years. I have not played around with makeup a lot, and I used to really enjoy that. I used to go full crazy. You know, I would wear purples and greens, and I would wear crazy dark lipstick. I'd use lip liner. Like, I used to go full hog because I had a lot of fun with that. And I just haven't lately, but I kind of like to get into, I don't know, for fall and winter. I'm gonna be home a lot. It'd be fun to feel a little sparkly, a little fabulous here and there. So I'm trying to come up with fun ways. Let me know in the comments. I hope that you enjoy this haul. I know that hauls are something that I get requested and that I'd kind of taken a break from. And I'm getting back into it because I love sharing tips. I know that I look at haul videos, you know, when I'm trying to get inspired for a topic, or like, ooh, I should go buy that. Or, oh, I hadn't thought of that, but that's a good, like, genre of thing that I should buy. So I always find it super helpful. Let me know in the comments, what would you like that's YouTube friendly for hauls? What kind of haul videos would you like? Would you like more makeup hauls or fashion hauls or just homeware hauls? Because, you know, homeware shopping is my great joy. I'm like, oh, should I buy that poof? Yes, I should buy that poof. It will give me joy. Do I need another tiny decorative item? I think we know the answer is clearly yes. I am sad with lockdown because I want to go do an IKEA haul of inexpensive things. I need to get some just little kitcheny things. And I've been hesitant to go. So yeah, I haven't done a ton of in-person shopping. In fact, everything I bought online except for the bubble bath, because I have the hardest time finding bubble bath online. I've looked, just because I've been avoiding going into real stores. But I would love to pick up a few things that I kind of need and been putting off for, you know, a year. So let me know. I would love to hear what you would love to see. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow on Instagram. I was trying to start up Scare Timber or Spook Timber, but maybe I'll just stick with Spooktober, which is my month long of spooky images. Ooh. For now, it's pumpkins and hay. I'll see you in the next video. Love y'all, biscuits.